Being in nature can support us back to presence, back to ourselves. Less rushing, less doing, taking a moment just to be, to tune in with yourself, check in with yourself. How are you doing right now, beloved soul? How are you doing? I invite you to take a moment, a pause, maybe looking at these beautiful trees, maybe taking a deep breath. Just feeling into your body, checking in with how you are right now, in this moment, knowing how supportive nature is for you, for us, knowing that you are loved beyond all measure. Bye for now.